A to Z அல்ஃபாபெட்டிக்கல் பிக்சரோட மீனிங்கோட சில சென்டென்ஸ் எல்லாம் மேக் பண்ணி அதில் கொஞ்சம் தமிழும் வரும் இங்கிலீஷும் வரும். கண்டிப்பாக பாருங்கள், சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்கள். சின்ன பிள்ளைங்களுக்கு அது காமிச்சா ஈஸியாக புரிஞ்சு அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்ட் பண்ணிப்பாங்க. G gain, gain profit லாபம். Bouncing baby will gain weight as he grows. His weight will increase. Galaxy a luminous band of stars stretching across the heavens. Milky Way வானில் உள்ள விண்மீன்கள் கூட்டமாக பால் மண்டலம். The Milky Way galaxy contains the solar system. Gale a strong wind. Galley a strong wind பலமான காற்று. A galley below the branch of the tree. Gallop run the leaves பாய்ந்தோடு. Filly foal will gallop to the circus. She will run as fast as she can. Garlic plants of the onion kind having a pungent taste of the very strong small வெள்ளை பூண்டு. Garlic has a strong taste and a smell and is used in cooking. Garment an articles of clothing ஆடை. Belinda ballerina favorite garment is her beautiful red dress. Gas an elastic substance neither liquid nor solid but air like in form. வாயு பொருள். A gas is a substance like air. There are many different gases on some burn. We use gas for cooking and heating. Gasp breathe with difficult பெருமூச்சு வாங்கு. The members of the audience all gasp when they watch Patty Bat the acrobat perform on the tightrope. Gate entrance புகுமுகம். A gate is the part in a wall or a fence that opens to let us through. Dicker dog will escape from the garden if you forget to close the gate. Gather collect சேகரி. Body boy will gather some flowers. She will pick some flowers. Gem a precious stone மிக உயர்வான கல். Diamonds rubies emerald and sapphires are gems. Gentle mild சாதுவான. Dicker dog is a gentle dog. He is kind and friendly. Giant, a very large man. Arakan. Joffrey, Gint. Joffrey Giant is a huge man. There are giant redwood trees and climb Farina. Gift, a present Kodai. Daffy Duck gave Sammy Seal a gift. She gave him present. Giraffe, a camel-like, tall, long-necked African quadruped ஒட்டகச்சிவிங்கி. George Giraffe eats leaves from tall trees. Glad, joyful, மகிழ்ச்சி. Sammy Seal was glad to see all his friends at the party. Glass, a brittle, transparent substance. கண்ணாடி, light passes through glass. So window panes are made of glasses. Glasses, மூக்கு கண்ணாடி. People who do not see well often wear glasses to improve their sight. Eyeglasses are made from the special kind of glass. Dark glasses protect our eyes from the sun's rays. Glider, move along smoothly. வழுக்கு. Gilbert Glider is an aeroplane without an engine. He glides through the sky on currents of air. Gold, a precious yellow metal. தங்கம், Auntie Ivy has a gold ring in her finger. Dad has a watch made of gold. Goldfish, a small gold colored fish. தங்க நிற மீன். Gilly, goldfish is a small gold colored fish. It lives in a glass bowl. Goldfish, a small gold colored fish. தங்க நிற மீன். Gold, it lives glass bowl. Golf, a game with a ball and club. ஒருவித பந்தாட்டம். Golf is outdoor game played on a special course in which a small solid ball is hit with sticks called clubs into a series of holes. Goose, a big-footed swimming bird like the duck. Both, a goose looks a little like a duck, but it has a longer neck. Great, பெரிய kinds of queens often live a grand palaces. Grandmother, fathers are mother, father, tata. Your father is your grandfather. Grandmother, father or mother party. Your mother is your mother's mother is your grandmother. Grape. The fruit. Grape. Grape. The fruit is the grape in திராட்சைப்பழம். A grape is red, purple or pale green. Grapes can be made into wine. Grass. Grass. The common herbage eaten by cattle. Pull grass is a plant with a long, narrow green leaves. Some animals eat grass. Grasshopper. Grasshopper, an insect resembling the locust vertically. A grasshopper is an insect with strong, long legs for jumping. Great, large, உயர்ந்த Mount Everest. Everest is a great mountain. The Olympic Games are a great sporting event. Greedy, avaricious, பேராசை கொண்ட. Please do not be greedy. If you are greedy person, you want more than your share. Green, grass, colored, பசுமையான. Green is a color. In summer, the leaves of the trees are green. Greet, welcome, வாழ்த்து. Sami seal with greet his friends when they come to his party. Grey, grey of color between black and white. சாம்பல் நிறமான. Ellie elephant has grey skin. Dolly donkey has a grey furry coat. Grill, grill and still for broiling meat. இறைச்சியை தீயில் வாட்டி சமைப்பதற்கான பாத்திரம். When the grill food we place it metal frame is cook under the source of the heat. Grind, crush, crush to powder மாவாக்கு. The grocer will grind the coffee beans in a grinder. Grocer, dealer, a dealer in common articles. பலசரக்கு வியாபாரம். Mother goose went to the grocer shop to buy coffee, sugar and flour. God protect காப்பாற்று. A God watches against danger to people or property. A life God keeps us safe at the swimming pool or beach. Goose conjecture. Goose conjecture Uzi. Can you guess? Can you guess is the number of the sweets in the jar? Guess. Conjecture Oogie. Can you guess the number of sweets in the jar? Guessed. Visited entertained விருந்தினர். A guest is a visitor at your home. There are many guests at Swami Seal's party. Guest. A sudden blast of wind. பலமான காற்று. A gust of wind blew Danny doll's umbrella inside out. A gay is the rope of the chain steady. A hold something. A position as the ropes on a tent do. Gymnasium. Gymnasium. A school for gymnastics. மல்லக சாலை. A gymnasium is a large room fitted out with a special apparatus where people exercise to keep fit and healthy. Gymnastics. Athletic exercises. மல்யுத்தம். Gymnastics are exercise for strengthening the body.